how to change icon size on Android. So on this process, you will have to first open your settings on your device. So simply open the settings, and from here you will have to find the options like home screen. So simply open the home screen, and from here you will get all of the settings for your home screen. So simply to make the larger of your app or icon, you will have to go with the options app screen grid. Okay, so now from here you can choose the grid for your system. So the less you will choose on this section, you will get more larger icons on your device. So simply you can do this from here. So like you can see. So likewise, you can also change your icon size on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.